Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin by taking a look at the overall condition of the vehicle, and of course I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features of the interior and exterior. The vehicle we have here for you is the X5 XDRIVE 3 litre D. So of course we've also fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body style into this vehicle. It is also presented in the black sapphire metallic and does come with a wide array of optional extras, all of which I'm going to show you as we make our way around, and of course taking a seat very shortly inside the car to more explore those optional extras. So if I take the camera up a little bit for yourself there, you'll be able to see that full glass panoramic roof, which really does give another level of ambience to the full interior, which we'll get onto very shortly of course. At the front of the car, you'll not only be able to see the gloss black front splitter and kidney grills, the vehicle also has the angel art and xenon headlamps, as you can see there, along with front and rear parking sensors, also equipped with a rear facing reversing camera on this vehicle. We've got the gloss black alloy wheels, as you can see there, and they're in fantastic condition set against that black sapphire metallic. Down the side of the car, we've just added the YNC Mperformance decals to this vehicle. Alongside the vehicle has the sun protection glazing as well. The interior for the vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with both the electric movement, memory for driver's side and the heated seat option as well. And we've got the very nice grand piano black trim with the brushed aluminium accents as well. And you'll see straight away if I take a kneel down that having that glass panoramic sunroof open. Of course it does also have the tilt mode as well, and of course this is a 7-seat version of the X5, so of course it has to be a very large pan roof for everyone to be able to enjoy it. Moving on to the rear seats, where of course you've got a 3-seat ISOFIX bench to start off with, and very cleverly to allow the passengers in the 2 other rear seats that of course take part to make the 7 seats. These seats can be moved forward or backwards to allow for obviously more room in the back. And I'm going to demonstrate how easy and adjustable everything is, although it is a little bit difficult to be one-handed. I'm sure you can appreciate that. There you can see, of course, I've just got one folded up to show you just how much boot space there is, even with one seat folded up, as you can see there. Moving around to the rear of the car, where of course on the X5 you've got a very nice automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then splits into a split down tailgate, which is definitely one of my favourite features about it, as of course that is a multi-universal tool there, as you've got a nice little bench. And there you can see with one side folded down and one side folded up, you've got a large boot, especially when both sides are folded down. And there you can see with that folded and the automatic closing tailgate coming down now, again showing you the extremely nice condition that this X5 is in. And we'll take a close-up look at these alloy wheels. That are the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, which come with premium tyres all the way around, which again are all in fantastic condition. And I'm going to go ahead now, take a seat inside the vehicle and just explore a bit more in depth in terms of the very special options and features inside this car. So now I'm sat comfortably inside the vehicle. First thing you're greeted with is the professional wide navigation and media screen, alongside, as I've mentioned, having that panoramic sunroof open. Everything feels very nice, airy and breezy inside here, and really does give a completely different feel to the interior of this car. Now we've got the car started up, we'll run through just a few of the features and functions. So of course we've got Bluetooth audio and telephone, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the music collection. In terms of your external devices, that will cover you from everything from your Bluetooth audio, your AUX and your USB, along with your DAB function. And of course, as I mentioned, the front seats are heated, but it's not the only thing to be heated inside this cabin. We've also got the lovely heated multi-function Msport steering wheel, which is also electrically moved in this vehicle, as you can see there. Alongside that, it's got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox on this X5, with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions all situated again on that steering wheel. And we've just got a little message to say that the rear seats are not locked, because obviously I've shown you off that 7-seat. The vehicle itself has covered just over 38,000 miles, so again another nice low mileage example of a black sapphire metallic X5 3 litre D XDRIVE, to give it its full name. So as always with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information, i.e. contacting us here directly at Your Next Car, along with our website link in the description. Okay, so we do hope to see you very, very soon here at Your Next Car. Do of course take care, thank you and goodbye.